Hi there, Matt here, fitting the Thule wing bar to my Q7. It's a 2017, so it's a new model. We've got the wing bar Evo 135 Aerobars 53 inch, the kit 3145 and the podium 460R. So you can see up here it is fitted. I've fitted the front rack. The instructions are a little bit IKEA-like, so I'll just give you a little breakdown. One thing you've got to do before you fit this, it comes joined together, so you've got to tear it into two pieces, and then it actually fits that way. So that was a little confusing at first. The best thing to do is to fit the actual rack or the mounts onto the rack, so you fit the plate, the base plate, which is rubber, two screws that go in there. The more you tighten these screws, then it will clamp down here, so you just leave these ones loose. And obviously you mount these in here, put this on, oopsie, put this on before you fit it. And then obviously my width is right because I've already had it on. Doing it with one arm. You can see they're sort of quite wobbly. Okay, now under in here there's these pieces that go in here which kind of have measurements on them. But what I've done is I've measured each one here to check the distance. So what I've done is I've measured there. I'm actually measuring it in millimeters. So it looks about like a little over 110. So I measure it here. And it's a little over 110. So what I do is I'll put the nuts on these first, get that base nice and tight, and this is still moving around, and then tighten these next. I found that more successful because if you do these first, it kind of gets it just doesn't seem to line up as well. So I'd put the nut on here first. So I'll go ahead and do that, but hopefully that gives you some idea on how it all goes together. Alrighty, good luck guys, see ya.